Hello, grade 9s. This is a super summary on factorizing. Just two of the methods we're going to look at here, highest common factor and grouping. First, factorizing using the highest common factor. What does that mean? It means that we divide out the largest expression, numbers and letters, that belong to all the terms. And the steps we're going to follow are find the highest common factor of the numbers and the letters or the variables. Sometimes it'll just be numbers, sometimes it'll just be letters, sometimes it'll be both. We factor it out, we divide it out, and we leave what is left inside the brackets. So, for example, we have 6x squared plus 9x. First, what is the highest common factor of 6 and 9? The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. What is the biggest common factor of 6 and 9? It is 3. Numbers done. Next, what is the highest common factor of x squared and x? The rule for letters is we must pick the one with the lowest exponent. This is x to the power of 1, and so that is the highest common factor. Why? Because this has got x times x, and this has just got 1x. We can't take x times x out of just 1x without creating a fraction. So the highest common factor is 3x. We put our brackets down, and we write what is left. Meaning, we say we've divided 6x squared by 3x, and we're left with 2x. Quick check. What is 6x times 2x? It's 6x squared. Then we divided positive 9x by the highest common factor. 9x divided by 3x is 3. Quick check. What is 3x times 3? It's 9x. We know we've got 100% for the question before we move on. We're going to factorize by grouping. Factorizing by grouping 4 terms. If you see a question with 4 terms, you might need to factorize by grouping. Meaning we're going to group 2 terms together and the other 2 terms together that have common factors. We're going to take out those common factors out of the first 2 and the last 2. And then we're going to factor out the common bracket. For example, we have 2ab plus 4a plus 3b plus 6. So let's group the first 2 together because they're going to have a common factor of 2, which can go into 2 and 4. And they have a factor of a, which we can divide out of both. We're going to group the other 2 together. We got 3b plus 6 because 3 is going to go into 3 and 6. And then there's no other letter. And in the back of our minds, we're thinking we want to factor out a common bracket. So we take out the highest common factor of 2ab plus 4a, and that is 2a. What is left? b plus 2 in the brackets, the same way we did with highest common factors. Quick check. What is 2a times b? It's 2ab. What is 2a times 2? It's 4a. So far, so good. Next, we take out the highest common factor of 3b plus 6, which is 3. And what is left after we divide these 2 terms by 3? We're left with b plus 2 in the brackets. Quick check. What is 3 times b? It's 3b. What is 3 times 2? It's 6. We're getting 100% so far. Next, we notice that 2a is multiplied to the bracket b plus 2, and 3 is also multiplied to the bracket b plus 2. And so now the common factor is the whole bracket, and we're going to factorize. Okay, we're going to factor out the common bracket, which is that whole thing b plus 2. And so our final answer is b plus 2 in the one bracket. You must keep your brackets. And 2a plus 3 in the other brackets. And we can quickly check, how do we multiply two terms and two terms together? We must think FOIL. I hope that was helpful.